Be ready after 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Start. The facts and the issues arising for consideration in these writ petitions are similar, and therefore I propose to dispose of all these writ petitions by this common judgment and order. Stop. The petitioners herein were all re-employed superannuated officers from the Indian Army. Stop. Pursuant to the scheme of the respondents, the petitioners herein after their retirement from the Indian Army were re-employed in terms of the said supreme of the respondents. Stop. The petitioners, however, were not given extension of re-employed service up to the age of 58 years in terms of the amended Army instructions, and, therefore, the petitioners herein filed the petition seeking for a direction to the respondents to allow the petitioners to work and to have extended service up to the age of 58 years. Stop. There is a considerable deficiency of regular officers in the army since long. Stop. The same is an accepted position as there is a deficiency of 12,000 officers in the Indian Army. Stop. In order to cope up with the aforesaid problem, in 1957, a scheme was started to make up the aforesaid deficiency by re-employing superannuated army officers, and an instruction to that effect was issued by the Indian Army, which is dated 4 to 1990. Stop. The aforesaid instruction laid down the terms and conditions of service of retired regular army officers. Stop. It provides that regular army officers who retired in the substantive rank of lieutenant colonel and below may be re-employed by army headquarters for service in the regular army for a maximum period of 3 years and a minimum period of 2 years in the first instance. Stop. Under the terms and conditions stated in the said instructions, it was also provided that extensions beyond the above period may also be granted at the discretion of Army Headquarters, limited to the age of 55 years. Stop. It further provided that retired substantive colonels other than those belonging to AMC might also be re-employed. Stop. Para 6 thereof laid down the age limit, which provides that the officer must not be over 53 years of age on the date of re-employment, and that no officer under the aforesaid army instructions would be retained beyond the age of 56 years. Stop. However, subsequently, as a result of the recommendations of the Fifth Pay Commission, the age of superannuation of the regular defense officers was increased by 2 years by a notification issued by the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension dated 13/5/1998. Stop. In the said OM, it was stated that recommendations made by the Fifth Central Pay Commission relating to the age of retirement of central government employees was examined, and it was decided that every government servant whose age of retirement was currently 58 years would now retire from service on the afternoon of the last day of the month in which he/she attains the age of 60 years. Stop. It was further provided in the said notification that it is also the decision that the age of retirement of the personnel of armed forces and central paramilitary forces should also be enhanced by 2 years, and necessary orders with regard to the same would be issued by the Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Home Affairs, as the case may be. Stop.